Assalamu alaikum. How is it going? I believe everyone is doing really well. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys some of the words that we tend to mispronounce in daily communication. So I'll be focusing on these words and I will show you how to pronounce these words correctly so that you know, you sound smart when you communicate through these words in your sentences and in your communication with others. First word that we mispronounce, which is Determine. How to utter this word? How to pronounce this word? Is it determine? No, that's not going to be determine. That's going to be determine. Determine. All right? Determine, not determine. Very common word. Next one. I am an engineer. He's an engineer. That's not actually engineer, ENGINEER. Rather, the word is engineer. The word is going to be engineer, not engineer. It's a huge mistake. Okay? So keep this in your mind. Next one. IRON. How to pronounce this? Is this going to be iron? Do you think it's iron? If you think that this is iron, be very careful. That's not iron. Rather, that's going to be iron. Okay? Iron, not iron. It's going to be iron. R would be silent. Iron, not iron. Iron. Okay? And then next word, which is poem. I have recited a poem. No, the word is going to be poem. Poem. Okay, poem, not poem. 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 Poem, not poem. Stay careful. And then, very interesting one, which is Restaurant. What do you think the pronunciation of this word would be? Is this going to be restaurant or restaurant? No. The correct pronunciation of this word is going to be restaurant. 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 Okay, restaurant, not restaurant or restaurant. These are mistakes. Rather, try to pronounce restaurant. Okay, and then uh, THROUGH. How to pronounce this word? Are you gonna say this word as throw? I'm looking at you through the mirror. I'm looking at you through the mirror or through the mirror, through the mirror, through the mirror. That's your mouth would be in a round shape. Through, not throw. Through. Did you understand? Through. I'm looking at you through the mirror. Through, through. Did you understand? And then another word, another very most used word, which is CONFORTABLE. What do you think the pronunciation of this word would be? Do you think the word is going to be comfortable? I am comfortable here. You are comfortable here. No, the correct pronunciation of this word is going to be comfortable. Okay, comfortable. I'm comfortable here. Are you comfortable there? Do you think I'm comfortable here? Okay, comfortable, not comfortable. You cannot split the word like this, comfortable. Oh my god. Rather, try to pronounce comfortable. Comfortable. Try to enjoy. Okay, comfortable. I am comfortable here. Comfortable. And the next one is one of the days of 7 days, which is Wednesday. We mispronounce the word as Wednesday. I'll be coming on Wednesday. No. Rather, the correct pronunciation would be I'll be meeting you on Wednesday, not Wednesday. You cannot split the word like this. Okay? Not Wednesday. Rather, it's going to be Wednesday. Did you understand? Wednesday, not Wednesday. Very important. Be very careful. And finally, two words. These words are quite similar. What do you think the word is going to be? Handball. Handball? I've got handball. I'm playing handball. No, no, no. The correct pronunciation is going to be handball or handball. The D will not be pronounced here. Handball or handball when you are in when you are so fast in your communication. At that time, you can say handball. Okay, I'm playing handball with my friends. In normal situation, you have to pronounce like handball. D will not be pronounced still. Okay, handball. And same goes to another word which is sandwich, not sandwich. D will not be pronounced. Sandwich. Can I have a sandwich, please? Can I have a sandwich, please? Do you want to have a sandwich? Something like that. So there are plenty of other words that we mispronounce in our daily communication. These are just few most common words that we use and we make mistake with. So I believe you have learned something from this video. If you think that you have learned something from this video, please stay with me. In the journey of this channel with me. See you again in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.